Hello and welcome to this video tutorial where I show you how to transfer money from your Stripe account that you've received to your associated bank account. So here we are on Stripe and I have logged in. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Balances over here on the left-hand side, go to Balances, and then under Balances, you'll see three different tabs here. You want to click the one that says Payouts right here. So click on Payouts. And then you should see, if you've transferred money before, manually or automatically, the amount of those funds that have been sent to your bank account. You can filter and order those how you want here. But what we want to do is, right here you should see a Manage or a little gear icon that says Manage. Go ahead and click on Manage. Now you're going to see the external payout accounts and scheduling. First and foremost, you have to have a bank account linked to your Stripe account. That's a different tutorial, but just quickly, if you want to add one, you should see this option here. You'll see My Bank Account here. What you'll have an option to do is add with the Add button over here. Just click Add, go through and insert and log in to your bank account to make sure you've added the appropriate bank account. That has to be done first. Now, once you've done that, you'll now have the ability to set a payout schedule. You can either do it manually, like I do at the end of every day. So the end of every day, whatever money I receive into my Stripe account will automatically be transferred to my linked up bank account. Or you can do manual. So if we click on manual here and save it, so you can see I can set up by going automatic every day, every week, end of month, it doesn't really matter. And then I can select that payment schedule or payout schedule, and I click on Save. Now, you will be prompted to log in once more, and as you can see, I'm turning off automatic payments. I click on that option there. My change will be made, and now my payouts will be done manually, to where I have to come in here and actually manually move the payments from Stripe over to my bank account. My preference is to go and set up automatic end of every day. When that day is over, I know that my Stripe funds will be automatically transferred to my bank account that I've linked up to my Stripe account. And then lastly, if you want to manually do this and not have it automatically send at the end of the day, week, or month, you would go back to Balances here and you'll see a blue button. I don't have anything in my balance right now, but if I did, I could click this blue button that said Pay Out Funds, and then it'll automatically give you the option to select your bank account, pay it out. It's kind of like PayPal when you transfer. It may take a few days, but it's absolutely free, right? So you pay out funds and you are good to go. Have any questions? Put those in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next video.